For this ride out, I'd head over to the annual Hansen Dam All-British Ride Out. It's a large event held here in Los Angeles that has a great gathering of old vintage British motorcycles. It's here where you can really appreciate a machine's age, era and the technology that was available back in those days. Here are motorcycles with real character. All the bikes here are air-cooled and there's not an electric starter inside. Now with these machines, it takes time, finesse and skill to start your machine, let alone ride it. But this is a ride out, and my friend Barry Weiss had a spare old vintage bike and he said if you can start it, you can ride it. So here goes. Oh, what a gorgeous sound. And the whole bike is just vibrating from the old vintage motor. It's a great feeling being on a vintage bike. Now, let's ride. Barry led the way up this twisty canyon and it was just a great feeling being on these old machines and opening them up a bit. And yes, more revs meant more vibrations. As those vibrations from that old motor still ran through me, it was all smiles at the top of the vista. It had been a great day seeing and riding these old British motorcycles. Thanks Barry for a great day out. All bikes are loads of fun to ride. Oh yeah. Alright, it's video. Give us a smoke away. It's alright, it's video.
Forgotten about it.